Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Also in this video I am going to tell you how to hide who you follow on Twitter. So simply you can see this is the main interface of your Twitter account. So simply what we need to do, just click on our profile. So here you can see I am following 16 people and I have 0 followers here. So this is the random account. So what we need to do, just simply click on setting and privacy. So when you open this, so here you can find the option privacy and safety. So now simply click on privacy and safety. So here you can see there are multiple options here, but what we need to do, just click on audience and tagging. So when you click on this, here you can see protect your account, only current followers and people you approve in future will be able to see your tweets. So simply you can turn this feature on, and after this here you can click on photo tagging and you can see it's already off. So in this way you can complete this process